I am Teodulo M. Centeno. I graduated from Far Eastern University in Philippines. I have drafting services, outsourcing jobs from my previous company and design and build for houses. So I do AutoCAD 3Ds and yes, design and build. So this is my project and it didn't went as per architectural because in Philippines it's the owner who's the architect. This is the ITC1 in Sri Lanka. I made the aluminum fins with light lights here and glass and stainless steel balustrades and stainless steel claddings, fascia, yeah, fascia and ceiling. So here's the detail and stainless post from Singapore, million built. This is my so far the most critical project I've ever done. So it's the Holland B project in Singapore. So most of the scope are glass claddings, ceilings, canopies, and I made it uh, through 3D and uh, extract, then turn it into cutting list. SG Bogen PTE Ltd. I made also claddings and this louver. I did provide 3D also to make it happen because they intend to do it in 2D. I said it's impossible to do. So I extract again and then turn it into this. We also have aluminum panels here and glass balustrades. Interfacing finals are the most critical parts here. Then this next company, Alunasa, we made the excuse the claddings of this and bridgeway in Dubai and uh, Doha Airport. So from shop drawing to cutting list of this buildings is our scope. Alabao was my first aluminum company. So we also do uh, aluminum composite panels and curtain walls at this Burj Khalifa. Our scope is the podium of this Burj Khalifa. Thanks.